Now let's add the finishing touches that make it truly feel like yours, starting with your header, footer, and logo. Let's start by clicking on the back button, and again. Then click into header, find site title and logo, click Customize Transparent Header, click on Change Image, and then drag and drop in your custom logo here. And then once your logo is uploaded, go to the bottom right and click Choose Image. And then you should see your logo update right here. If your logo appears to be too small, you can scroll down and use the logo width slider right here. And if you want to adjust the position of the elements within your header, you can drag them right here. So for example, I have my site title and logo. I could drag this to the center if I wanted to. I could also click on the X to remove it. I'll go ahead and move this back. And to save those changes to your header, let's click Publish in the top. Next, we'll edit our footer. Let's scroll up here and click on the back button. Once again, go down to footer, and it will bring us down right here. You can adjust the position of the elements the same way we did with the header, and you'll see the default logo right here. Click on this pencil icon to edit it. On the left, click Add Media. And we'll have to upload a dark version of our logo here. Let's go ahead and drag that in. Drop it here. Once it's uploaded, go to the bottom right and click Insert into Post. And then here on the left-hand side, we can scroll down and we'll just remove this previous logo. You can also adjust things here in your footer, like your footer menu and this copyright notice here. To adjust these, just click on the element you want to change. And you can change out this default text here, for example. Once you're happy with your changes, go to the top and click Publish. And then once you're done making those changes, go to the top left here and click this X. And now all of the changes that we've made to your website are published and live. And if you haven't gotten started just yet, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link down in the video description to get access to the lowest price available for your hosting. Thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.